I feel 20 years younger.
That is beautiful. Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Herman. I'm with a lovely patient of ours. This is Mrs. Debergard, and she came to our clinic for a few different health concerns that I'm going to share in a moment. She was a referral from another patient. In your history, you had suffered some years ago with breast cancer. That
Yes.
was it, right? Okay. And since the breast cancer treatment, since the chemo and the surgery and everything, you were dealing with some symptoms, and I'll like to mention a few of them.
Yes.
You had heart palpitations?
Yes.
How long did you have those for?
For a year and a half.
A year and a half until now. This is now April 18th of 2018. Heart palpitations for a year and a half?
From now, it's during the treatment I have for one time.
And it was, but your heart palpitations were every day?
No, it used
Every
to be
morning?
a bit, 2-3 times on the week. In the morning, wake me up with palpitation, sweating.
That's right. And now in the
yes.
last 2 months, how many times have
One
you?
time.
Only one time?
Only one time.
Not 2 to 3 times a week that
No.
it used to be?
No.
And you had nausea?
Nausea.
That was every day?
Every day.
With
Yes.
loss of appetite as well?
Yes, I didn't have lunch or dinner because in the middle of the lunch or dinner I had nausea and I had to stop to eat because it started very strong and I lost my appetite. So.
And now since the first treatment,
After that, no anymore. I don't have any more.
no nausea, no loss of
nausea,
appetite.
no-
Excellent, yes?
Yes.
You
of
also had
course.
anxiety. Anxiety was one of your common complaints.
Yes,
And you had
yes.
anxiety how many times a week? How many days a week?
3 to 5 days a week.
3 to 5 days a week. And now, since this treatment, how many days of anxiety have you experienced since this protocol?
After my treatment was yesterday was the first time.
First time in a
In
2-month
2
period?
months, yes.
So it used to be almost
3 to
5 days, 3 to 5
times.
times a week. And that
Yes.
was for how many years, did you feel that?
2 years.
2 years of 3 to 5 times a week of anxiety, now down to 1 time in the past 2 months.
Yes.
Incredible.
Mm.
You also
Amazing.
had headaches that were pretty bad.
Headaches.
And how frequent were those?
Headaches was 3 times a week for 3 to 4 hours
At a
every
period.
time.
And now your headaches are
My hair is once a week
once a week now.
Mhm.
And how long does it last?
for 45 minutes.
So it's reduced. We're not totally done with them yet, but we're moving in the right direction.
Yes.
And you also had a metal taste in the mouth.
Yes.
that you-
Every morning when I wake up, I had the metal taste in my mouth. No anymore.
No anymore. And but we still have a couple of other symptoms to work with. There's still some tiredness in the eyes and
Yes.
the metal taste in the throat and a couple of them. We're still going to get rid of the headaches. But what kinds of doctors did you see before you met me for the heart palpitations and the nausea and the anxiety? What kind of doctors?
Too many doctors. I went to the cardiology. He did many tests, and then the gastroenterology, and he did many tests, blood tests, physics tests, urine tests. They did a colonoscopy, endoscopy, all the tests that you can.
And
you
stress
can
tests from the cardiologist?
And the
all this-
cardiologist, yes.
And neurologist too?
And neurologist
And they
too.
all looked at you and said what? Your symptoms are?
Yes, they don't know. They give me many pills for this, and continue the same and say, okay, I'm going to give a different pills. That I hate to take pills. I'm very bad patient in that.
In that respect for taking
Yes.
those. But they told you that they didn't know why it was happening to you, right?
Yes.
It was just who
They
knows?
don't find nothing. They say sometimes make me feel that I am crazy, that I invent all my
But
problems.
You, but you knew that. But now
I
you're
know
feeling,
it's not.
and now we're feeling better.
Of course, so
Yes,
yes.
excellent.
I feel 20 years younger.
That is beautiful. Okay, thank you for sharing this with everybody.
Oh,
And it's working, and you think other people should give this a try because it's helping you.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. So I look forward to helping you get even better, and that's going to happen. Okay, so we stick with it through it. We're going to get better. I'll put our number down here at the bottom of the video here, and you'll be able to give a call if you want. Watch other videos on my YouTube channel. There are lots of other success stories like this. Stories, experiences, not stories, but experiences of people who are getting well with various kinds of conditions. When you can find the causes of the disease and help remove the causes of the disease, you can strengthen the person and help get them well. And that's what we do here. So again, I'm Dr. Lonnie Herman. My clinic is right now in South Florida. The phone number is 954-370-3100. And I'll put the email address below the screen of my assistant, and she'll be happy to take your call and or take your email and help you make an appointment so we can get started with you to get well, or a family member or friend to help get them well, okay? Thank you for sharing.